9 to 10 का टाइम वेस्ट करें, तो आज वेस्ट नहीं जाने वाला है, आज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्लास है गाइस, राइट? So we have a very important class today and that is on what's the theme of the party? Anyone come on, unmute and bolo yaar.
Red velvet.
Yes,
Velvet
red
cake,
velvet. Has anyone eaten a red velvet cake ever?
Yes.
अच्छा लगता है?
बहुत अच्छे हैं.
बहुत टेस्टी
Very
रहता है.
nice.
हाँ, सी तनुश्री का तो फेवरेट है. I know even why तनुश्री. All right. So guys, today we are going to talk about cake. Yes. How many?
Ma'am, can you pardon what you have told now?
We were talking about the flavor of cake, like how you have pineapple flavor, you know, you have dark chocolate.
Forest.
Yeah. Do
Ma'am,
you like
chocolate,
dark
chocolate.
forest? Chocolate. Okay. So like that, there are many flavors, guys. Okay. But one flavor that we had today as the theme was your red velvet cake, right? So the reason we had red velvet is because we all wanted you all to be red and see you all are looking so beautiful in red. Thank you so much. So, you know, red gives you a lot of energy, guys, right? And in fact, my favorite, you know, is red velvet. So let me tell you all. So you all might be having one favorite flavor in your mind, okay? So chalo, let's know the favorite flavor of each person here, okay? So starting Hari Priya Dash, what's your favorite flavor in cake? Come on. Go ahead. Hari Priya, are you there?
Hello?
Yeah. Tell me.
Yes, my favorite is chocolate.
Chocolate.
Flavor.
Okay, nice. Let's now, yeah, we got that. Chocolate. Okay, so Ratna, what's your favorite flavor, Ratna?
Yes, ma'am. I like chocolate cake and fresh cream cake.
Fresh cream
Am I
cake.
audible, ma'am? Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Okay, good enough. So Bishnu Priya Dash, what's your favorite flavor, Bishnu Priya? Okay, I couldn't hear that because you're mute. Unmute yourself, Vishnu Priya. We want to know your favorite flavor. Come on.
Butterscotch, ma'am.
Butterscotch. Wow. You know, I love butterscotch ice creams, you know. Great. Nice taste you have. So now let's go to Santosh Tripathi. Come on, Santosh. I love you for wearing red. Great. Go ahead. Tell us your favorite flavor.
Strawberry and chocolate mixed.
Strawberry and chocolate mixed. Yeah, nice. Huh? What about Tanushri? Tanushri, you're red velvet, no? Red velvet.
No, ma'am. Chocolate and rich fruit cake.
Okay, great. Nice.
Because I'm doing in my home, I'm baking in my rich fruit cake given to wine and given to ram or
Rum cake also with rum in it. I see. Yummy. I
my
like
family.
it. Okay, that was Tanushri baking cakes and Jayanti. Yes, tell us about your favorite flavor.
Pineapple flavor.
Pineapple. Okay, that's wonderful. Fresh fruits, you know. Okay, Shri Guru Vidyalaya School. So can I ask?
My name is Krishna from Chennai, madam. It's my daughter's
Krishna.
school. I wouldn't change.
Okay, yeah, just change the name, okay, so that we can call you Krishna Garu. Okay, so Krishna
Yeah,
Garu, what's
Krishna.
your favorite flavor?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay, what about Bharti? What's your favorite flavor, Bharti? Unmute to karo.
My favorite cake is mixed fruit
Mixed.
and chocolate flavor.
Okay. Alright, guys, यहाँ पर एक ही flavor बोलने के हैं, ठीक है? I know Santosh ji did some mixing, so चलो. I know Santosh ji, see you inspired everyone. Okay, Vaishali, come on, your favorite flavor. Come on.
Madam, black forest.
Like for सबको भूख लग गई होगी ना अब तक. I know वो बदमाश हुए. Okay, come on, Neelam, what's your favorite flavor?
These days I'm stuck on to pineapple flavor.
Pineapple. Okay, I like that. All right, Tinku Chakraborty, come on, what's your favorite flavor? People switching off your videos. I'm not asking you your flavor. Okay? By default, it's red velvet. Chalo, switch on your video sets. Chalo, Tinku, tell me your favorite flavor.
My favorite flavor is chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay, what about Sujit Bhattacharya? What's your favorite flavor?
Chocolate, ma'am.
Chocolate. अरे वाह, chocolate सबको इतना पसंद है, इसीलिए मैंने red velvet choose किया. You know, next time you go to a bakery shop, try tasting red velvet and then you'll forget chocolate. मजाक कर रही हूँ. Okay, चलो Lakshmi ji, tell me, my favorite flavor ఏంటమ్మా?
White forest, ma'am.
White forest. Okay, nice. White forest. Rekha Jagdish Bhai Tank. Tank? Okay. Rekha, is that your name? Okay. Tell us your favorite flavor. Come on. I can't hear you. Come on, come on. Unmute, yaar.
Choco Swiss.
Your Swiss. Okay, Swiss chocolate. I see. Wonderful. Yeah, wonderful. Bhakti Pushpanjali Dash. What's your favorite flavor?
I like chocolate flavor.
Chocolate flavor, wonderful. And now, oh, Shravya just left, else we would have asked Shravya also. Okay, so now, Tanmay, tell us your favorite flavor.
My
Come on.
favorite is red, strawberry, and black forest. Red.
एक choose करो, एक. कौन सा? Strawberry or black? Strawberry. Okay, chalo. Okay. And what about Shiva?
And I know how to bake also.
Oh wow, Tanmay, that's so cool. I don't know how to bake. Good, yeah, teach me. Thank you. All right, so Shiva Brota Haldar, come on, tell us your favorite flavor.
Vanilla.
Oh, that's something nice. Huh? Very different and very simple. Trust me, very smart. Okay, what about Vaishali ji? Did you answer? Vaishali Dali, did you answer? Vaishali ji?
Yeah, ma'am. Forest.
Black Forest. Okay. What
Yeah,
about
ma'am.
Rajiv Bisht?
Yeah, ma'am. I do Black Forest.
That's nice. Okay. You know, I'll tell you guys why we are discussing the flavor. Okay. Rajiv Bisht, what's your favorite flavor?
My favorite flavor is chocolate. Chocolate.
Okay, I like it. Okay, switch on your video. Okay, don't switch it off. Rashmi Chatterjee, I don't know why I'm not getting your video. Pranati, come on, tell me. Start your video and tell me. Rashmi, tell me what's your favorite flavor? रश्मि कुछ बोल तो रही है पर लग नहीं रहा है, बोल रही है चॉकलेट नहीं.
Black currant and strawberry.
Black currant. Okay, I heard that. Pranati, what's about you? Which one is your favorite flavor? Butterscotch. Okay. So we all know, you know, these flavors actually tickle our taste buds, and the reason we have a cake is because of this flavor, right? All right. So do you know, all of you here, okay, that the reason why we named this party as a smart party was because there was a full form that was given to you, right? Did you all go ahead and read that full form? What was the full form? Can you go to your group of batch 44 and just check? What had I given? I sent you all a personal message that today is going to be a smart party. The party is going to be sassy, modish, attractive, red velvet, and tantalizing, right? So we all are wearing all red dresses. So we all the chopping of the cake, the red velvet party, right? Now, do you all know what is this cake actually? You want to know? Chalo, let's do that, okay? I will go ahead and play a video for you. And once you see this video, you should be able to tell me what that video is about. And then I'll tell you what the cake is about. Okay, so we all saw this song, right? Everyone here, all on the same page with me? Yes? Did we see the song?
Yes.
All right. So now, one by one, when I ask you all, you will unmute and tell me the moral of the story. What did you understand from this song? Okay. So let me again go. Azim Khan, I know you were late, but come on. Everyone in my class, you know the rules. Come on, guys. You know you need to take your 32 teeth out, right? You need to switch on the videos, right? So switch it on, guys. Yeah, Tanmay was telling me that's his favorite movie. And Tanmay, you know, I'll tell you something really very important. Today, wherever I am in my life is because of this song. You know, there are times when you listen to a song and
Yes.
your
We
entire
should never.
life you can visualize in that.
Yeah, ma'am.
This is one of those. Yeah, Tanmay, go ahead and tell us that what is the moral of the story from this song? What did you understand?
We should never give up, ma'am. We should never give up.
Okay, you should never give up. Okay, so
Never give up.
next.
And then be confident, ma'am. Be confident and be confident, ma'am. Never lack your confidence and ma'am, focus, ma'am. Focus,
Focus. On
patience.
what? On what? Focus on what? You're missing that essence of the entire thing. Name that word. वो word क्या है?
Focus on goal. Focus on goal.
Okay, okay. So now Haripriya Dash. Okay, Tanmay,
Hello,
great.
hello, ma'am.
So Haripriya,
ma'am.
your take on this song. Come on.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, go ahead.
Am I audible, ma'am? Yes.
Dedication.
Did I tell someone the rules of the class? If you all speak over each other, I'll not allow anyone to speak. Right? So, guys, respect the speaker. If there is Haripriya who is speaking, let her speak. Once she completes, I'll give you a chance. Switch on your videos and you get a chance. Okay? Come on, Haripriya, go ahead, unmute yourself.
Hello. Ma'am.
बोलिए.
Am I audible? Yes.
बहुत धीरे आवाज आ रही है. You're very low.
Hello.
Yeah, tell us.
Hrithik Roshan. The hero Hrithik Roshan is doing very hard work to achieve the goal.
Okay.
And at last, what I am seeing that at last he reached the goal. He reached the goal. Am I audible? Hello. At last he
Yes.
reached the goal, and he's doing very hard work, and he's focused on his goal, and at any cost he's trying to achieve his goal.
Okay,
last
great. So that's wonderful.
he achieved his goal.
Okay, so I now take Haripriya Dash. Yes, Haripriya, tell me what's that goal? Azam Khan, I'll come to you. Please stay muted. I will unmute you. Vishnupriya, please tell us what did you get from the goal?
Ma'am, it is the life of a soldier, and the film name is Lakshya.
Yes. What did you get from this story? आपको क्या मिला? Moral of the story क्या समझ आया?
Ma'am,
In
it
English.
requires hard work and dedication
For what?
for to save our country and us also.
Guys, we are missing on something here. We're missing on something really, really important. Chalo, go ahead. Tanushri Bhattacharya. Bhattacharya. Yeah. Come on, go ahead, Tanushri. Tell me.
Actually, ma'am, everybody must have the goal. Okay.
Okay.
So
Now we are talking.
If you do the hard work, you always achieve your goal.
Okay. Now, Tanushri, a very quick question here. Okay. You were bang on spot. So, Tanushri tells us that, we need hard work to achieve the goal. So, here the entire story was about Lakshya. Lakshya का मतलब होता है goal.
Goal.
Right, Santosh. Now, when we want to achieve this goal, do you think that we need to know what the goal is to achieve it? Goal pata hona zaruri hai, right?
Yes, we must know the target.
Absolutely. So now, Santosh Tripathi, you tell us what is your moral of the story you take from this song? Come on.
Actually, I take from the song moral of the story is when you decided your goal, whatever circumstances comes in your life, do it and update it all the time and achieve it, this goal anyhow.
Okay, wonderful. So Sujit Kumar Bhattacharya, come on, I want to hear from you. What is your take on
Thank
this
you, ma'am.
story?
Thank you, ma'am, to give me opportunity. Actually, what I have understand that everybody should their goal and a lot of dedication, hard work.
I want that sentence complete. Everybody should dash.
Everybody should goal in their life And
Everybody
to
should
achieve,
have a goal in their life, huh?
definitely,
Good.
definitely. Everybody should have their goal in life, and
Uh-huh.
to achieve their goal, you have actually lot of dedication and hard work will be there. Lot of circumstances will be there. Your lot of sacrifice will be there. But you have to go forward and you have to achieve your target. And when you have achieved, at that time you will get all the things which you actually want in your life. I think.
Awesome.
Hello.
Yes, that's good. Go ahead, Sujit. I'm listening.
That's why I think it is the essence of this story, and everybody should fix their target or goal, and dream will be there for your life. But if you want to achieve your dream, that there should be the goal, step by step goal, short term goal, long term goal will be there, and you have to go through that process, and ultimately you will achieve your dream.
Wonderful, wonderful. So let's ask Bharti, because Sujit did it too good. So Bharti, what was your take on this? On
Means
this song?
everybody life has a goal, and very difficulty has came, but you don't give up.
Awesome.
You do and achieve your goal.
Absolutely. Bharti did exactly the same as told on the song. पाए जा जो लक्ष्य है तेरा, क्या धरती क्या आसमां क्या तूफान क्या आंधिया. Right? So, yes, Krishna Garu, tell us, what is your
Yes,
take on the
Meghaji.
song?
I have taken that everybody is having a goal. On your march towards the goal, you may have so many hurdles. We have been the confidence and with the guidance and with the proper work, we have to achieve the goal with the focused mind.
All right, great. That's wonderful. So now, Karthik Garu, can you tell us what is your goal in life?
You are asking me, madam?
Yes, I'm asking, in fact, every one of you, because, guys, did I not tell you yesterday a very basic or a very important thing? Your quality of life depends on the quality of questions you ask yourself. Today, after looking at this video, I want all of you all to ask your own self, what is that goal? जिसके लिए you can, क्या धरती क्या आंधिया क्या तूफान क्या आसमां पाए जा जो लक्ष्य है तेरा. You do everything on earth to get that goal, because today we are going to share a few secrets. Yes, the reason why we are in a smart party is because we are going to get those secrets revealed to reach our goal. Okay, so come on, let's hear it from Krishna Garu. What is his goal? Come on, Krishna Garu, tell us.
My goal, I've been separated into two ways. First one is my personal one. I want to become a better person than what I am now.
Okay.
Economically, socially, I have to be in a better position. It's my personal one. Second one, I want to do something to the society. Those who have been deprived poorly. So I want to do something.
Hold on. Now, Krishna Garu, here, when we all go ahead and tell our goals, we are realizing one thing. Our goals are not smart. I know, here you all are thinking, ये क्या बोल रही है मैडम? ये smart क्या होता है? Smart party, smart goal, smart cake, smart क्या है ये smart? Right? You all are thinking about what is the smart? I'll tell you. When you have something which is not smart, okay, Rajiv wants to say something. I'll come to you, Rajiv. Hold on a second. When you're telling me about your goal and you say, no, I want to do something for the society, मतलब कुछ करना है, क्या करना है मुझे नहीं पता है, तो आप कैसे करोगे? My question is, మీకేం చెయ్యాలి? అది మీకు క్లియర్ లేదు. ఎన్నాళ్ళలో చేస్తారు, ఎప్పుడు చేస్తారు, ఎంతసేపులో చేస్తారు, ఏం చేస్తారు? Okay, Rajiv ji, I'm unmuting you. You are saying something, I couldn't hear that. So my point was, we have to be specific in what we say. So if you have that specific goal, can you share? I want to do something for the society. What is that something? How much and when do you want to do it, and how much time do you want to do it?
First, I would have to finish my own personal, commitments. So I have to finish that one.
No,
Then
you are
I'll go for
not
the
getting my point. Hold on, I'll mute you again. Okay, we are not getting the point. Chalo, I'll share something very important to you. Okay, before I do that, I'll go to Rajiv because he wants to say something. Go, Rajiv, go ahead, tell me. And then I'm coming to Azam Khan. Yeah, come on, Rajiv, tell us, share us.
Everybody has a goal. Goal should
Yeah.
be smart. A goal should be simple, achievable, time bounding. It's a goal.
Okay, so we are talking now. Wonderful. I love that, Rajiv. Awesome. Now we'll go to Azam Khanji. Azam Khanji, if you're here, please go ahead and unmute yourself and tell us.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Madam, my goal is to just do some give back the society what I have achieved and give back to the society, not only society and to the nation also.
How, Azamji? Saying is a vague goal. Tell me
It's a very
specifically.
good question. It's a very good question you have asked me. I just wanted to everybody have a something or other thing to give it back to the society or to the nation. Even a person do not have a single penny, he
Okay,
can still
my
contribute to the
question
society.
specific to you. Can you put your question in this quadrant? Looking at the screen, Azamji, and everyone here right now in our smart party, I want you all to categorize your goal in these categories, just as Rajiv was saying. Okay, can we all mute ourselves first? Okay. 1 second, I'm muting all. Okay. All right. Understand that when we are talking about goal, if your goal is not specific, okay, then your goal cannot be achieved. Now, the reason why you have a goal is because you want to achieve that goal, isn't it? If your goal is not specific, you don't know what that goal actually is. You want to do something for someone, but you're not sure what that something is. You need to be sure what that is. It has to be measurable. कि कितना करना चाहते हैं. For example, I want to lose 5 kilos weight. Guys, listen, very important. I want to lose 5 kilos weight. That is my goal. Okay, now if this has to be a smart goal, I'll tell you that, you know what, Azamji, I want to lose 5 kilos weight in 5 days. Is this possible?
Yes, it is possible.
Yes,
Yes, but you have to say no to cake.
Neelamji, it's impossible. I'll tell you why. Because 5 kilos, 5 days is an irrelevant goal. Okay. So now understand that when I'm talking about a smart goal, your goal should not only be specific. My specification was that I want to achieve a weight loss. Okay. Kya karna hai? Weight loss karna hai. Is it measurable? 5 kilos, can I go on a weighing scale and measure it? Yes, no? Yeah. Can I? I can. Is it attainable? यहाँ पे question mark आ जाता है. 5 kilos in 5 days. Neha has gone mad. You all will tell me. Guys, it is not attainable because it's not, it's unrealistic. If I would have told you I want to achieve this 5 kilos weight loss in 1 month, you all would have said yes. Ye attainable hai. This is achievable, right? And then, is it relevant? Now, had I been a Kareena Kapoor zero size figure and I told you मैं 5 kilos lose करूँगी, सब लोग हंसेगा यहाँ पे. But you all know I'm like plump and healthy and I want to lose 5 kilo weight. आप तो बोलेंगे, madam 5 नहीं 10 kilos lose करो, right? So that's what. So it should be relevant to that person and it should be time based. Did I put a time limit to my goal? Time limit लगाई मैं कितने का? 1 month. Now, is my goal a smart goal? बोलो, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है? Is my goal a smart goal? Great, I like it, Bhakti. Yes, so this is a smart goal. So, Krishna Garu, when I was talking about this smart goal, this is what I meant. If you are having a goal, you need to
now
have...
I could understand it is attainable, it should be measurable, and it is the time bound.
Yes, wonderful. I love that. So guys, if you are able to take a screenshot of my screen, please take a screenshot because right now we are going to play a game on this. Okay. So if you guys have already made your goals up in mind, we will now play a game. And before we play a game, you should go ahead and have a small piece of paper with you. Okay? So this is the piece of paper that I need. किसी के पास भी होगा इतना छोटा paper? Come on. All ready up for a game, right? So this is the piece of paper I need from you all. Itna piece of paper laiye. We all are gonna run, guys. Yes, be ready to run. Okay, so now go ahead and on this sheet of paper, I'm sharing my screen again. Write your SMART goal on this. Okay, आपको एक pen लेना है. You have to write your SMART goal on this. And I'm giving you 1 minute to write your goal. And until you write your goal, we're going to play some music and you enjoy writing your goal. Okay? So can we have some music, please? Right, let's hope we have some music here. If not, I'm going to play some. Okay, 1 second. All right, you guys have your paper, right? Paper है सबके पास? Paper दिखाओ मुझे. Very good. I like it, Sujit Di. Yeah, good. चलो. So write your goal in this piece of paper क्योंकि अभी इसे fold भी करना है. Game भी खेलना है. So come on, fast. Write your goal on this. And until we write the goal, we'll go ahead and have some fun. Okay. Unable to, say, just type on the chat box. Ratna Bhattacharya, Vishnu Priya Dash, and yeah, where did you place it? Where did you place it, Ratna?
Ma'am, I
put it my goal in altar, ma'am.
Ma'am, I kept it on the top of the cupboard. On my
cupboard. Okay, wonderful. Now Shibo Brota Haldar says he put it in his sea beach. So sea beach, it's not the highest point. I am asked, guys, I hope you got the question. मैंने बोला कि हर एक को वो चिट हाईएस्ट पॉइंट सबसे ऊंची जगह रख के आना है. और आप लोग कोई टेंपल बोल रहा है, कोई किचन बोल रहा है, कोई स्टडी टेबल, आई डोंट नो व्हाट गाइस. कम चलो, ओके, आई फील आई एम clear now. Santosh Tripathi, where did you place it?
Ma'am, I placed my goal sheet to give it to my son, 12-year son.
हाँ, तो where did he place it? कहाँ place किया? Very good, you delegated the task. I like it. कहाँ place किया वो बताइए.
Actually, I give it to him because he reads.
I'm not asking why you gave it to him. I'm asking where is it placed. My question is very clear, guys. Everyone, answer this. कहाँ रखवाए अपना गोल? कहाँ? Where?
मैंने रखवाया वो आपका मेरे जो my study room is in front of me. There I sit it down in my wall. On top my bedroom.
Great. That's what I was looking for. Ram, did you go ahead and place your goal at the highest point? No. Yes. No. Okay. चलो. अभी राम नहीं बताया. Anybody who is left to tell me कि कहाँ place किए goal? Yeah. Tell me. Haripriya Dash. Tell me. Yes. Okay. All right, guys. So we all placed the goal in at different places. But tell me something. Somebody says in front of my eyes and all these things. Tell me something. Did any one of you go out of your room and place it? No. क्यों?
No.
मैंने बोला था क्या कि रूम के बाहर मत जाना, इसी रूम का हाईएस्ट पॉइंट में प्लेस करना. मैंने बोला था. Did I tell you all to place this in the highest point in your room? Yes or no?
No, you didn't tell as such.
Yeah.
But point is that if it would have taken time, if we moved out and kept it on the highest place, it would take. But it would have taken the time. So this to just save the time, I have placed just behind.
Okay, bahana. That is bahana number 1. Okay, next bahana. चलिए, संतोष जी, tell me what is your bahana?
Ma'am, actually, I stick my bedroom my goal because your goal should be visualized.
Okay,
If every
wonderful. I
time
like that
visualize
idea. I like that idea, but here my intention was a little different, not visualization. But guys, you know, in my last class, there was someone who actually went up all the way to their roof, यानी छत पे चले गए और अपना गोल वहां डाल के आए. Did anybody here think about that? No. Why? Because you were not thinking out of the box. So guys,
Madam,
do you know what
my
this
chat
shit
is on the
was?
5th floor. My
Yeah,
chat is on
allow
the
me
5th
to
floor.
speak. No problem. There was a guy in my previous class. What they did is they put this goal on their lift. Okay. Daba diye, and they put the 13th floor on it. They pressed it. The goal went up. Guys, that is called out of the box thinking. Now, how many of them here feel that you understood this logic of out of the box thinking? Did you get it? समझ आ रहा है? नहीं आ रहा है नीलम को. Okay. Neelam, understand. For example, there are many situations in life where you think alike like others. Now, this shit that you wrote today was your smart goal. It is nothing but your red velvet cake. It's my red velvet cake. For you, it is the cake of your flavor. And this cake is topped with out of the box thinking. That's your cream. So guys, if you want to enjoy that goal in your life, you want to eat that cake, it is topped with out of the box thinking. If you think like how others do, you will end up being in the life like what others end up with. Right? Now, Neelamji, what is your goal that you had written on the chat? Come on, share with us.
I had written that I wanted to write the book, and the first my story must be out by January 21. Next year in
Awesome.
January.
I like that. She had a smart goal that the book must be out by January. Now, if she wants to achieve this goal, she has to think out of the box to achieve it. And there's one secret that can help you achieve the goal even faster. In fact, a basic one goal that can help you achieve this goal entirely. Has anyone here seen the movie Om Shanti Om? Yes? किसी को डायलॉग याद है शाहरुख खान क्या बोलता है उसमें? Come on, anyone here? डायलॉग शाहरुख खान का तन्मय याद है? रत्ना इस बोल रही है याद है?
शिद्दत से चाहो, किसी चीज को अगर शिद्दत से चाहो तो सारी कायनात उसको मिलाने में लग जाती है.
Awesome, I love it, and that is the secret, guys. There is a book written whose name is The Secret. It's written by Rhonda Byrne, and basically, इस book से ये dialogue चुराया गया है. This book is on the law of attraction. Yes, it sounds strange, but this book is on the law of attraction. You attract your goal through this line जो शाहरुख खान ने बोला ना, अगर शिद्दत से किसी चीज को चाहो, दिल से किसी चीज को चाहो तो पूरी कायनात लग जाती है उस चीज को आप तक लाने में. So guys, if you really are dedicated, like this, the song that you just saw about Hrithik Roshan in Lakshya, if you are dedicated, you know what your goal is, and you really want it bad, you do everything to get it. The entire universe works for you to get that goal nearer to you. कोई रोक नहीं सकता आपको वो पाने में. So guys, if your short-term goal is to learn English, speak English fluently, and you are doing everything in life to go ahead and increase or improve your communication skills, you will do that. You will achieve it, but there's a small clause to the rule. Who can tell me the clause? ऐसा क्या है जो रोक सकता है आपको ये करने से? Any idea?
Me.
बोलो क्या है वो?
Only me. Only myself.
No, there's one thing that law of attraction can go, उल्टा पड़ सकता है. For example, अगर आप कुछ negative बोलते हैं ना universe को, the universe doesn't understand negativity. suppose, Tanmay says that, भगवान प्लीज मुझे एग्जाम में फेल मत करना, मुझे फेल मत करना, मुझे फेल मत करना, मुझे फेल मत करना, and he is repeating that. You know what will happen in the end? The universe is not thinking, Tanmay is saying, do not fail me. But वो क्या होगा ultimately? The message वो do not नहीं समझेगा universe. The message going to the universe is fail me, fail me, fail me, fail me. And ultimately, what will be in your hands? Failure. No negative portion of your thought should go to the universe. Chalo, let's do a simple visualization, okay? Everybody,
Ma'am, I
can you
never
all...
think about negative, ma'am. I always think positive, ma'am.
Tanmay, I gave an example, Babu, because you're a student, na? That's why. Just an example. That's it. Chalo, now we'll do a quick visualization, Tanmay. Okay, be with me here. Can we all rub our hands like this and generate that heat? And anybody with your specs, first remove your specs. I removed mine. Remove your specs. And I do this, and I'm asking you to close your eyes with that, and I'll ask you to imagine something. You'll have to do that. Rub your hands, Sujit Kumar, Bhakti, Tinku, Tanushri, Vishnupriya, everyone. Now you've generated the heat. Put it on your eyes. Come on. Aankh pe daliye. And now, do not visualize or do not see a pink elephant walking on the road. Do not see a pink elephant walking on the road. Do not see a pink elephant. And now धीरे धीरे अपने हाथ से हाथ हटाइए.
I'm
Come
visualizing
back.
pink elephant.
Visualization.
What did you all just see?
I am visualizing the pink elephant.
Pink elephant.
सर मैंने तो बोला आप लोगों को do not visualize the pink elephant.
The universe understands the negativity.
Got it? 1 मिनट में आपको ये प्रैक्टिकलिटी समझ आ गया कि जो हम डू नॉट बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन क्या किया आपने? आपने वही किया जो हम डू नॉट बोल रहे हैं कि मत विजुअलाइज करो, आपको पिंक एलिफेंट ही दिखा. Similarly, guys, when you go to an interview, okay, and you pray God, hey Bhagwan, do not let me fail this time. I do not let me fail. Do not let me fail. Do not let me fail. वो interview गया. Why? The universe doesn't understand do not. But if you would have told, oh God, I really want to go through this interview. I want to be a manager. I want to be a manager. I want to be a manager. You do everything to be a manager. You learn that communication, that that level, the executive level that you have to for becoming a manager, and then you go for an interview. You die hard for that. You will achieve it. The universe will in turn channelize the entire energy for you so that you achieve that goal. Guys, this is a very powerful thing that I've told you today, and this is the energy of the universe. And Shah Rukh Khan was not joking at all, because there's an entire book named The Secret by Rhonda Byrne written on this law of attraction. वाकई में अगर दिल से किसी चीज को चाहो तो पूरी कायनात लग जाती है वो चीज आप तक लाने में, चाहे वो लड़की क्यों ना हो. राइट? तन्मय उसमें यूज नहीं करने का, बट यूज करना स्टडीज में. But yes, it works for anything and everything in this universe. And this smart cake that you had was nothing but your goal. And it was topped with out of the box thinking. And if you want to eat this cake, you need what? The law of attraction. Got it, guys? All right, so I call in our alchemist, Subhash sir is here. So yes, Subhash sir, thank you for playing that.
Hope guys you all enjoyed today's session. We had our grammar and fluency, and the best part what I was seeing, everyone you were participating. You people forgot by kisko English aata hai nahi aata hai. Sab, you all started speaking, you all started playing and enjoying. That is important. Whenever you speak in English, your fear is stopping you. Your fear, the more you fear, and I'm very happy that you people were enjoying this journey, and that is important. When this is not our age to learn, अरे यार grammar सीखो फिर बोलो, but when people they enjoy English, their journey goes very easy. I just want to tell you guys, This is my own experience in life that, so many parents, they tell their children that do hard work, be serious, you will get your goal. Are you sure that if somebody becomes serious and do hard work, he will or she will get the goal? Think about it. Why should we not tell our children that enjoy your goal, enjoy, play with your goal? You know, don't just study for marks, study as if you're enjoying that. You will grow more. I just want to say to everyone that don't do hard work in speaking English. You all can speak English when you enjoy speaking. So enjoy speaking wrong English, right English, barbad English, jaisa taisa English, but speak in English, because if you keep on speaking, the day is not so far that when you will be so confident in English. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you guys, and I hope you all